Active Directory Certificate Services. Modern digital environments demand that data and systems are protected, with one aspect of this protection involving certificates, Active Directory Certificate Services. In this module, we will take an in-depth look at Active Directory Certificate Services capabilities, their role in issuing and overseeing public key certificates in Active Directory environments, as well as potential configuration errors that might arise. Active Directory Certificate Services, in short ADCS. ADCS was made available as a server role with Windows Server 2008 SP2. Principally, its primary responsibility is to oversee certificate infrastructure by issuing and managing public key certificates. These certificates play an essential part in protecting network access. It helps validating data transmissions and support encryption processes as well as validating encryption keys. ADCS find application in many areas such as protecting wireless networks, virtual private networks, internet protocol security, network access protection, encrypted file system, as well as smart card logins using smart card credentials. Let's understand some key terms related to ADCS. First one is PKI, Public Key Infrastructure. PK provides an umbrella structure to manage digital certificates and public key encryption, including roles, policies, hardwares, softwares, and procedures that cover creating, distributing, using, revoking, and overseeing their use, as well as any potential public key encryption that might occur. Second one is CA, Certificate Authority. At the core of every public key infrastructure lies its certificate authority. The CA is responsible for issuing and overseeing digital certificates which validate entity identities by linking public keys with specific identities. Enterprise CA is one that seamlessly integrates into Active Directory. Third one is Certificate Template. Enterprise CA's certificate templates serves to standardize their certificate issuance processes while meeting predetermined standards and policies. They make issuing certificates more uniform while meeting stricter compliance measures. Fourth one is Subject Alternative Names. Subject alternative names allow one certificate to cover multiple identities. However, for optimal security purposes, this must be managed carefully to minimize risks. Improperly administered SANs could be exploited for malicious activities within domains by impersonators, attacks that impersonate users within them. Next up, we have CSR, Certificate Signing Request. When sending out an CR to a certificate authority for digital certificate issuance, essential details like public key, entity identity, and any specific attributes desired must be included within it. Next up, we have EKU, Extended/Enhanced Key Uses. EKU is an element of digital certificates that specifies their intended uses, such as email encryption or client authentication. It's typically defined using one or more object identifier, which describes precisely which functions a certificate fulfills. Certificates act as a crucial link connecting an identity known as the subject with the desired public key pair. This key enables applications to verify the identity of a user. The role of certificate authorities is central in both issuing and overseeing these certificates. Let's see this process in detail. In the first step, clients typically create a public/private key pair, including their public key, in a certificate signing request. The CSR also contains essential details like certificate's subject and the certificate template name. In the next step, the client sends the CSR to the enterprise CA server. In the third step, the CA first verifies whether the client is authorized to request certificates. If the client meets the criteria, the server examines the certificate template Active Directory object as mentioned earlier. In the fourth step, the CA then checks if the permissions on the certificate template AD object allow the requesting account to obtain a certificate. In the next step, if the permissions are in order, the CA proceeds to generate a certificate. This certificate is created based on the predefined settings outlined in the certificate template. These settings may encompass various aspects such as enhanced key uses, cryptographic configurations, issuance requirements, and more. Finally, the CA signs the certificate using its private key, ensuring its authenticity, and then provides the signed certificate back to the client. ADCS also includes a feature known as web enrollment, which enables users to easily request certificates and access certificate revocation lists through web browsers. Additionally, the online responder service plays a crucial role by processing requests for information about the revocation status of certificates, evaluating these requests and providing signed responses. This service is key to maintaining the integrity and trustworthiness of certificates. Moreover, the network device enrollment service is designed to assist non-domain network devices like routers in obtaining certificates, thereby enhancing overall network security. Moving on to the importance of ADCS security. With cyber threats on the rise, organizations should put security as their top priority. Misconfigurations in ADCS can have grave security consequences, including certificate abuse and domain escalation. Widespread ADCS deployment amplifies these risks, underscoring the importance of understanding and addressing its security implications. A robust and secure infrastructure hinges on safeguarding ADCS. Despite its critical role, ADCS can be vulnerable to misconfigurations, potentially leading to privilege escalation and system compromise. Typical misconfigurations involve allowing low-privileged users to enroll for certificates, disabling managerial approval processes, neglecting the need for authorized signatures, and selecting certificate template security descriptor with excessive permissions. Problems with certificate templates, the handling of subject alternative names, and the management of enrollment agent templates can also create opening for unauthorized certificate requests. We will explore some of these misconfigurations and their use to elevate privileges in the domain in subsequent sections. Active Directory Certificate Services has a significant role in ensuring organizations have a secure and reliable working environment. It is essential for administrators and security professionals to understand its functions, the significance it holds in security, and the potential risk stemming from any misconfiguration. Proper implementation and attentive security practices in ADCS can significantly boost an organization's cybersecurity defenses, safeguarding its critical assets. ADCS serves as a core building block in today's rapidly evolving digital environment, helping create secure IT infrastructure with robust reliability.